Hello, nature lovers. Wishing you all a very happy new year and may this 2025 bring you joy, peace, and many adventures in nature. And today we are in the breathtaking hills of Cork visiting the scenery of Kote Betta, also known as the Fort Hill. And this Kote Betta stands at 1620 meters, which is known as the third highest peak in the Cork. And the first highest is Brahmagiri Betta, and the second is Mole, and the third is the Kote Betta. According to legend, the Pandavas built the Shiva temple during their exile. We missed visiting on a Tuesday, so we could not experience the spiritual puja that takes place between 10 am and 11:30 am. If you are planning a trip, be sure to go on a Tuesday to enjoy this special ritual. And the path was refreshing, with every step bringing us closer to the beauty of nature. The sounds of birds and the cool breeze made the trek even more enjoyable. As we reached higher up, the views only got better vast stretches of the Western Ghats, with their rolling hills and the misty peaks left us away, and it was not just physical journey but a chance to connect with the natural world in a peaceful and meaningful way. And this experience was truly a grateful start to the new year, reminding us of the simple yet profound beauty around us. And this spot is a blend of natural beauty, mythology, and serenity. A must visit for anyone exploring Cork. Enjoy this virtual trek and let's start 2025 with nature's magic. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to explore the nature with nature for more adventures. Stay tuned and once again, a very happy new year.